Traditional herbs have been an indispensable part of healthcare for centuries, promoting well-being and health. From ancient civilizations to modern medicine, herbal remedies have been essential in treating ailments, maintaining balance, and preventing disease. Hey there! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video analyzes 12 traditional herbs that will enhance your daily well-being. Disclaimer: I am not a nutritionist. This video was created to inform viewers to explore alternative paths that empower individuals to achieve holistic well-being and enjoy optimal health. Nature Life Remedy is research-based information-related content. Please seek professional medical advice. Herbs possess therapeutic properties derived from their bioactive compounds, which influence various bodily functions. For example, chamomile promotes relaxation and sleep, while turmeric reduces inflammation and supports cardiovascular health. Modern research has validated the efficacy of many traditional herbs, supporting their use as safe and effective therapies. 12 traditional herbs with remarkable benefits for daily well-being. The pursuit of optimal well-being has long been intertwined with the utilization of medicinal plants. Traditional herbalism, rooted in ancient knowledge and passed down through generations, offers many herbs with remarkable health-promoting properties. This video will delve into 12 traditional herbs that can significantly enhance our daily well-being. 1. Turmeric. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Turmeric has been shown to support joint health, reduce inflammation, and boost cognitive function. 2. Ginger. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, possesses anti-nausea, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. It alleviates digestive discomfort, reduces inflammation, and improves cardiovascular health. 3. Chamomile. Chamomile is renowned for its calming effects. Its active compounds bind to GABA receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation, reducing anxiety, and improving sleep quality. 4. Echinacea. This herb has been traditionally used to support immune function. It consists of compounds that stimulate the production of immune cells, enhancing the body's ability to fight infections. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective for treating burns, skin irritation, and digestive disorders. 6. Astragalus. Astragalus is an adaptogenic herb that aids the body cope with stress and supports immune function. It contains polysaccharides that support the production of white blood cells and promote overall well-being. 7. Lavender. The essential oil has calming and soothing effects. It helps with relaxation, reduces stress, and improves sleep quality. Additionally, it helps alleviate pain and inflammation. 8. Peppermint. Peppermint leaves contain menthol, which has anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, and analgesic properties. Peppermint effectively treats digestive disorders, reduces pain, and improves cognitive function. 9. Rosemary. Rosemary is a stimulating herb that improves circulation, boosts memory, and supports hair growth. It consists of antioxidants that protect against cell injury and may reduce the risk of certain diseases. 10. Rhodiola. This adaptogenic herb helps the body cope with stress, improves endurance, and enhances cognitive function. It contains compounds that regulate cortisol levels and support mood balance. 11. Nettle. Nettle leaves are rich in iron, calcium, and other minerals. They have diuretic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, benefiting urinary tract health, reducing inflammation, and supporting overall well-being. 12. Hawthorn. Hawthorn berries contain compounds that stiffens the heart muscle, enhance the blood flow, and reduce blood pressure. They have been traditionally used to support cardiovascular health and lowers the danger of heart disease. As modern lifestyles become increasingly sedentary and stressful, we face significant challenges to our overall health. Processed foods, air pollution, and lack of physical activity contribute to chronic diseases and decreased well-being. We must embrace natural solutions that enhance our health and vitality to combat these challenges. Nature provides a wealth of remedies for the ailments of modern life. Exercise strengthens the body and mind, reducing stress and improving mood. A diet that has abundance of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains replenishes our bodies with essential nutrients. Essential oils and herbal supplements offer natural alternatives to synthetic medications, supporting our immune system and promoting relaxation. The most potent herb. Surprising benefits of turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice obtained from the root of the curcuma longa plant, stands as a culinary and medicinal marvel. Its active ingredient, curcumin, possesses an array of therapeutic properties that have captivated the attention of researchers and health enthusiasts alike. Studies have shown curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory effects, offering relief from chronic conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Its antioxidant abilities combat oxidative stress, protecting against degenerative diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Additionally, curcumin has demonstrated neuroprotective properties, enhanced cognitive function, and reduced age-related brain decline. Turmeric emerges as the herb with the most surprising benefits. Its potent curcumin content bestows anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective properties, addressing many health concerns. As research unravels its potential, turmeric promises to become an indispensable natural remedy in pursuing optimal well-being. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helps alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and improve cognitive function. By incorporating these herbs into a holistic approach, individuals can experience a synergistic effect. Herbs complement each other, enhancing their benefits. For example, consuming turmeric with ginger amplifies its anti-inflammatory properties, while chamomile combined with valerian enhances relaxation. The holistic approach of traditional herbs identifies the significance of understanding the root causes of ailments and treating the whole person, not just the symptoms. By integrating these herbs into daily routines, individuals can utilize their power to promote physical, emotional, and mental well-being. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video valuable, I encourage you to subscribe for more videos on health tips. Please share your preferred herbal tips and experience in the comments section below.